we're back some cold start.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our Jeep build. So before we get into the Jeep, I wanted to give a little update on the Lamborghini. So it's at the frame shop right now. It's getting the frame done. We did receive all the parts. We opened the parts and we do have a video for that, but it's not going to be on our channel. We partnered up with Daily Driven Exotics. They have posted the video on their channel. You guys can go on their YouTube channel, Daily Driven Exotics. Check out the video. Today we're gonna focus on getting the Jeep lifted. We're gonna put a 3.5 inch Wrangler lift kit on it, and we're gonna probably send down everything we need to send down for paint. We're gonna get all of that out of the way. We wanna get this Jeep on the road as soon as possible. We kinda need a car to tow around the Lamborghini, you know, so let's get started on the Jeep. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright, so here, open up. We're going to be working all night, so we're going to definitely need some Red Bull. It's bad for you.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one.
Wrench suspension system.
Actually, yo.
For 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door, so non-Rubicon models, non-Rubicon. This is just a Wrangler Sport, so that's just what we need. Alright, let's go for it.
I'm gonna get the jack. I think we're just gonna end up dropping the whole axle. It's probably gonna be easier to swap all the parts like that, and then just pick the axle back up, pull everything back. So yeah.
Stop picking up the car. So we pretty much got everything for this car besides the rims and tires. I still do not know what kind of rims we're gonna get, so nobody wants to help us out, you know. Nobody wants to slide in our DMs, help us out with some rims. Just ideas, not help us out with rims, ideas. So we're still choosing.
I mean, they can help us out with rims.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's gonna be such a nice car. It has to sit on some really nice rims. So we're not just gonna put any kind of rims.
We're open for
Nice.
we're open for sponsorships too.
All right, so we might have a problem here. So we're lifting the Jeep here inside the shop. Our door seems to be a little bit short. It drove in here. It might just stay in here for good, you know, unless we just, you know, drive out just on rims or something.
I think we could cut out something over here, or even the windows. What do you think, Mentos?
Oh, let me read the manual first.
I'm pretty sure with that front bumper, we'll be able to get through that glass, no problem.
With this one?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to, yeah, we're gonna have to get creative here.
Okay, so we're done with the lift. You can see how it looks. It doesn't look that much higher. It actually a lot big difference. But once we put some huge tires on this, some 37s, this thing is gonna be lifted. But it's already, you can tell now. Now when you open the door, you gotta kind of like step in. You can tell it's already lifted. But once you put some beefy ass tires on this Jeep, some nice rims. Maybe gonna go tomorrow, look at some tires, look at some rims, see maybe what we can choose. And yeah, excited to see how it's gonna look with some rims, with some tires.
By the way, you're gonna have to get 5 rims and 5 tires.
Yeah, that's true. So we're probably gonna call it a night. It's getting late, and we're gonna continue the video on removing the top, sanding it down, sanding down all the parts that we need. The hood right here. What else? We got a new grill. We're gonna have to sand it down. So we're gonna paint everything, make sure everything is painted same color as the Jeep, and then we're gonna vinyl wrap the car. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, second day. Let's start working on our Jeep. So this is what we're gonna do today. We're going to sand down this entire roof. First of all, we're gonna remove it. We're gonna take it off. It has a little texture to it. We want it the same color as the Jeep. Even though we are changing the full color on it, we still want the color to be underneath the wrap, same as the Jeep. Plus, vinyl wrap sticks a little bit better to paint than this plastic, and there's texture, so we don't want that. We're gonna sand down the fenders, the hood, the front grille. We're gonna prep everything for paint. We're gonna get everything ready. One problem is all the stores are closed. It's late, and we called one of our friends. He owns a store. He has all the supplies for prep, basically for paint. So we're gonna go down to his store right now, and we're gonna get all the supplies. He's gonna open it for us. Go down, get all the supplies, and we will be right back. So let's go take care of that.
We're back some cold start.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's do this. Maybe Starlight.
All right, guys, we just got to the boy's store. He's gonna open it up for us.
Which boy? Not that boy.
This boy right here. We don't know that guy. He just he's a hitchhiker. We just picked him up. He's a hitchhiker. So we just picked him up just to give him a ride. So you're gonna have to stick with us until we reach your location. So, what do we need? There's a lot of stuff. I kind of want everything.
Dima, turn on the light.
Toilet paper? Dima, you guys don't have toilet paper? Smaller rolls? Oh,
Hey, just take everything. Oh,
Nah.
All right. Hey, you guys got a shopping cart? This is what's good to have friends, you know, that own places like this. It's closed, but you know, not for us. We're just, hey, we're not using you just because of this, by the way. You know, we're real friends. I promise.
It's that sandpaper feel right?
All right, let's get some. What kind of?
You're gonna need 800 here. Hey, Dima, you think I should
800.
No, I think we're gonna set it down 320, 80, then 320.
800.
Timer, and then one time with 800, and we should be good.
It's a lot of sandpaper. We're going to go through a lot
Only if that was money, right?
of material.
After 80,
We need more stuff. We need some.
240. You guys don't have 320. You have 240. 240? Mm-hmm. And then just primer over it.
Nah.
You can even primer over 180.
This one has holes in it. I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, it's gonna.
I want new. I don't want used.
He wants new.
Okay, that. All right.
In Sacramento area, and you need anything for paint, for prep, VSB, auto paint, and supplies. They got everything you need for paint, and they got the best quality, of course. You know, the best stuff. You can't find this stuff. Some of the stuff you can't find in stores. You have to get it online. They got everything here. I'm ready to pay, right? Yeah. Big shout out.
And the late night coffee.
Let me get my card in, money.
We good. Primer. You have paper. It'll be fine.
Roman, why do you wear a hat now?
Because he was roasting his hairline last video, so.
Wasn't my hairline.
It was
Hey,
more- it was much
hey,
more-
hey, Nazar.
Yeah.
What's our next rebuild?
Probably his hairline. Here's the stuff.
More stuff.
More stuff. We got a
And here's more stuff.
Throw it in here.
This is mine, by the way.
Mine now.
Alright guys, we're back at the shop. We got all the supplies and we're gonna start pulling off the roof first, I guess. Let's see how it looks, the roof. Okay, I'll grab the back. You grab the front. Okay. Alright. Let's move it to the back a little bit more. This is not that heavy. It's that easy. Just 6 bolts and the roof is off. So this is what we're gonna paint. We're gonna paint this same color as the Jeep. I know a lot of Jeeps come with the already painted. Basically, we're gonna keep the top portion of the roof, we're gonna keep it black. I think it's gonna be cool to have the whole top black. But starting from this line, going down, everything from this line going down, everything's gonna get painted into the same color as the Jeep, because we do want to wrap this the same color as the Jeep. But the top portion of it is just gonna be all black. Maybe we'll put some, I don't know, huge sticker on it, maybe the same color as the Jeep, some army sticker on the top, or maybe some numbers, I'm not sure. Yeah, but so yeah, let's just sand this down.
Check it out. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours after I primered it already. I gave it a light coat, so it's already dry enough for us to sand it. So right now the guys are about to sand it down, and then the next step is to paint it. So yeah.
Alright guys, we're done sanding down the roof. So if you come closer, so everything that's kind of gray right now, that's what's going to be getting painted. The roof we are going to keep black. I think it's gonna look cool. It's gonna break it off a little bit. It won't make the Jeep look boring. It was a little bit rough sanding down the texture, but we made it happen. And our next step is we're gonna take it everything down to the paint booth. We're gonna get everything painted. We also got new rims and new tires, some 37s, really nice rims. You guys will see that in our next video already. We're gonna get it painted. We're gonna put on the wheels, put on the rims, and we're probably gonna put together the front end a little bit, the radiators, everything, and we're gonna get it ready for the full color change, and we're gonna put on a new color, which you guys are also gonna see. I don't know if it's gonna be the next video or the video after that, but I'm really excited for this, and I hope you guys like this episode. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, give us some advice in the comments, and turn on that notification bell just to see our new videos coming out, when they're gonna be coming out. And thank you a lot. Appreciate it for the nice comments you guys been leaving us, and for DMing us on Instagram. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well, Foreign Build. You guys can talk to us over there. We respond pretty fast. So alright guys, we're done here and we're out.